Hi guys, welcome to Kryptronix Gaming, and we are back with another build. This one is new, 4090 i9-39K. We have used a couple of new components, different components. You'll see in the video later. Check it out, and we'll show you the benchmarks as well. And as usual, I'll let you know all the details of the components. Check this out. और गाइस, जैसे आपने देख लिया वीडियो कितना ऑसम बिल्ड है। मैं आपको थोड़े कंपोनेंट्स के बारे में डिस्कस कर देता हूँ। विल डायरेक्टली जंप टू द बेंचमार्क्स। इसमें हमने एक न्यू कैबिनेट यूज किया है, Asus का टफ GT 502, बिकॉज द क्लाइंट वांटेड अ कंप्लीट Asus। वी ट्राई टू डू अ कंप्लीट Asus बिल्ड, सो हमने कैबिनेट भी Asus का यूज किया, GT 502। वेरी गुड कैबिनेट, वेरी ड्यूरेबल एंड रियली स्ट्रॉन्ग। देन वी हैव यूज्ड i9-39K flagship processor. We have used a 4090, a tough edition one. Again, a really good, आप गेमिंग में तो कुछ भी इस पे डाल दो, सब कुछ भी हैंडल कर लेगा ये, 4K 8K जो आपको करना कर देना। Then we have used a Strix Z790 gaming Wi-Fi, a really durable, really good motherboard. Then we have used a NZXT Z73 cooler. Again, really good temperatures with i9-39K. Display वाला आता है. I mean, you can see the aesthetics. Aesthetically, this build is amazing. This build का cost is in the description. You should check it out. It is right now at a very good price. You should check it out. And now let's directly go to the benchmarks. आपको जल्दी से दिखाता हूँ इसकी performance क्या है. So guys, you saw it. Benchmarks are amazing, temps are amazing. Flagship build, and if you also want to get a custom PC from us, oh by the way, this PC is for gaming and editing. I mean, इसमें तो कुछ भी हो सकता है, but gaming and editing के लिए. And if you also want to buy a PC from us, just DM us, call us, get to our website, just give us a call and we'll help you with all the process. Do follow us, subscribe our channel for much such content, and we'll be back with another build very soon. Thank you.